In this video, I'll be deploying this website. So how did I get here? Let me go back a little and a little. So I will search website templates GitHub. Then I'm going for this portfolio templates. No, the web portfolio. So this one we are going with. Alright, so let's create our VM. We are going to name it let's scroll down. Go to I don't know why AWS is taking this long. In fact, these have been refreshing this couple of times now. I'll go with Azure. Alright, so let's say plot Azure VM. Central US is fine. Let me use existing VM terminal BSSH Certbot alias cat this public then open, then copy this. Let's go back to this page, then paste this inside. Then we want to open up ports because we want to do our SSL. Then basically I want to create. I'm not spending a lot of time on how to create virtual machine. I want to assume that you know how to create a virtual machine, so I'm not concentrating much on how you can create a virtual machine. Create virtual machine. Alright, so the virtual machine is ready. Let's go to resource, then copy our IP. Let's make this and cd out. Alright, so SSH ports at the IP. I'm not putting -i or all those stuff because I'm using my existing public key pair. So say yes, press enter, and we should be logged in. Now we are in. Alright, so first thing first, let's update. We want to do it together, so we do sudo apt update. Then want to do sudo apt upgrade. Oh, bad. Upgrade. We want to do both together. We want to upgrade and update at the same time. So type y. Oh, we're supposed to put y, but no problem. All right, so then let's put git. Okay, well that is installed. Now let's install Nginx. Then oh my bad. Sudo apt install Nginx. Okay, we've done this before. I think we've done this before. So sudo system ctl start Nginx. All right. Now let's see the let's ls. Now what we are seeding into is this. If I go to my browser, I copy the IP, I paste it. Now this is our IP. The reason we are getting this is because it's HTTPS and we've not put SSL, so it's supposed to be HTTP. If I click on continue, then we have our welcome to Nginx. Welcome to Nginx. So what is actually showing this welcome to Nginx is this. Let me seed into HTML so that I can see. Let me ls. This is it. This is what is actually showing that. So let me cd out. Now then clear so that everywhere will not just be anyhow. So now let's go and copy this. Copy. Then sudo git enter. Okay, now we are good to go. Now let's ls. We have dev portfolio. Let's so want to put the name dev portfolio. What should we say? Let me say euros. Let's chmod to Let's see it more to give some access. Now, this command sudo nano, this is the configuration file. So let's enter and paste this inside to listen to port 80, and you put your own domain name here, www dot your domain name, this domain name I'm using, heroes.com.ng, and put the domain name here again without the www. Now, the same thing here. Now, the reason I'm doing that, like I said, is because the domain name I'm using is what I'm using. So after you've done that, every other thing will be the same, just this as well. Now, after doing that, press Ctrl X, press Y, then press Enter. So after that, now we need to enable the configuration file. Now let's restart Nginx. After we've done that, let's go and map our IP. So our domain name. This is the domain name I'm using. Let me log in. In my own case, I'll just come to domain name, come to manage DNS. This is where I am, DNS manager. Then what I want to use, like I said, it's heroes.com.ng. So I'll click on add new zone, heroes.com.ng, put the IP, add zone. If I come here, now my IP is here, making sure everything is looking fine. CNAME heroes, okay. Alright, save changes. Alright, after that has been done, let me go back to my VS Code. I will install Certbot. Then let's configure our Certbot to our Nginx. So I will just put my email, enter, enter. Then I will say 1 and 2. Why am I saying 1 and 2? It's asking me where I want the certificates to be running to, and I want it to be in heroes.com.ng and www.heroes.com.ng. So I'm selecting both, press enter. See, requesting a certificate for heroes.com.ng and www.heroes.com.ng. As you can see, the certificate has been deployed successfully. All right, let's check, making sure that everything is working fine. Accounts register processor, we are good. Then what do you need to do? Yes, I've exceeded. I've gotten what I wanted to see. So now let's install firewall. So now let's put some firewall, shall we? Enter. Firewall is active and enable system setup. So now let's come here and type www.com.ng and boom, here is our website. Everything is working. The pictures, let me click on experience. So as you can see, it's functioning. Download resume. Okay, I think that is not working on the website, not from us. So everything is working on the website, and as you can see, okay, to be sure, let's just copy this. Let me remove this. Let me copy this to a new browser. Let me copy this to a new browser and paste it. Now, as you can see that it's locked. That means the SSL is working, everything is working perfectly well. You are welcome.